Welcome to Auto Garage. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Adventurer, a revolutionary camper truck that seamlessly blends Chevrolet's legendary truck performance with the comforts of home. Chevrolet has a storied history of innovation and reliability. With the Adventurer, they've ventured into the world of recreational vehicles, crafting a machine that's as adventurous as it is dependable. Built on a robust Chevrolet truck chassis, the Adventurer is designed to conquer challenging terrains with ease. Its high ground clearance, advanced four-wheel drive system, and state-of-the-art suspension ensure you're ready for any off-road escapade. Under the hood, the Adventurer boasts a formidable engine, delivering ample power for towing and off-road adventures. Whether you're climbing steep trails or cruising on the highway, this camper truck offers a smooth and responsive drive. Step inside, and you'll find a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. The Adventurer's interior is adorned with high-quality materials, providing a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, and cozy sleeping quarters. It's your home away from home. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, generous counter space, and smart storage solutions. Preparing meals on the go has never been this convenient. After a day of exploration, retreat to the comfortable sleeping area, designed to provide a restful night's sleep. Ambient lighting and thoughtful design elements create a serene atmosphere. Stay connected and entertained with the Adventurer's advanced technology suite. A large touchscreen infotainment system, premium sound system, and seamless smartphone integration keep you in control and entertained throughout your journey. Embracing sustainability, the Adventurer comes equipped with eco-friendly features like solar panels and energy-efficient appliances, allowing you to enjoy off-grid living while minimizing your environmental footprint. No matter where your adventures take you, the Adventurer's rugged durability and off-road capabilities ensure you can explore with confidence. It's built to handle the demands of the great outdoors. Priced at approximately $80,000, the 2025 Chevrolet Adventurer offers exceptional value for those seeking a blend of adventure and comfort. It's an investment in countless memories and endless exploration. Experience the freedom of the open road and the comforts of home with the 2025 Chevrolet Adventurer. Your journey awaits. Thank you for watching Auto Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news.
Yeah.